Hello students, let us continue our chapter Winds. In the previous chapter, we have seen in the northern hemisphere, winds get deflected towards the right of their original direction, whereas in the southern hemisphere, they get deflected towards the left of their original direction. And this happens due to rotation of the earth from west to east. Now let us see what are planetary winds. Winds are known by the direction from which they blow. For example, westerlies are winds which blow from the west. The direction of the blowing, the duration, the region covered, and the condition of the air determine the following winds type. Planetary winds. Student, take out page number 22 and underline what I am underlining. The direction of blowing, the duration, the region covered, and the condition of the air determine the following wind type. That means we have various types of wind, and these depends on in from which direction they are blowing, duration, that means for how long they are blowing, time taken by the winds, and the region covered by them, the condition of the air also. These are the factors which determine, which tell us what type of wind it is. So first, let us see the planetary winds. Some winds blow regularly on the earth from high to low pressure belt. Already we have seen that winds, air pressure from high to low it is blowing. So winds are blowing from high pressure belt to low pressure. Throughout the year, the winds which blow, they are called planetary winds. These winds covered a large portion of the earth. Hence, they are called planetary winds. For example, easterlies and westerlies and polar winds. So, these three, easterlies, westerlies and polar winds, are the planetary winds. Right now, we have read that winds direction, the direction from which the winds blow, they are known by that name. For example, the westerlies and easterlies. Now these winds, we know very well, this is the west direction and this is the east direction. That's why the winds which are blowing from the direction of west, those are called westerly because they are moving in this way. So these are the westerlies. Similarly, here also, these are from west direction. So these are also westerlies. On the other side, easterlies, the winds which are from the east direction. So from here they are moving. These are the easterlies. Similarly, these winds from the east direction, they are coming towards the low pressure. So these are the easterlies. So from the direction which they blow, they are named as. Similarly, the polar winds. So we know very well that these are the polar regions, the north and south. So here the temperature is below 0 degree. So that because of cold temperature, the air is moving towards the low pressure. The winds are blowing in this direction. As they are coming from the polar region, those are called the polar winds. In both the hemisphere, the winds blow from high pressure area between 25 and 35 degree parallel to equatorial low pressure belt. Due to the rotation of the earth, their original direction changes. In the northern hemisphere, they blow from northeast, and in the southwest area, they are blowing from the southwest to northwest. These winds coming from both the side converge nearly the equatorial calm belt. These winds are known as easterlies. So again we will move to the, so from this figure we will try to understand it better. Due to rotation of earth, the original direction changes. So this is the northern hemisphere and this is the southern hemisphere. Here the equatorial low pressure belt is formed. Here mid latitudinal high, and here above in the northern hemisphere also mid latitudinal high pressure belt. So from this high pressure belt and this high pressure belt, the air will move towards the equatorial low pressure belt. It will come here at the low pressure from both the hemisphere. In both the hemisphere, from mid latitudinal high pressure belt, the wind will blow from high pressure to low pressure here. But due to the rotation of the earth, the direction changes. In the northern hemisphere, it blow from northeast to southwest. Now northeast means here. Here it is northeast. This is the northeast direction. And this is towards the southwest. Here south and west. So this will be the southwest direction. So in this way, in the northern hemisphere, here in the northern hemisphere, it will blow from the northeast towards the southwest. Similarly, in the southern hemisphere, it will blow from southeast. Now southeast is here. From southeast towards northwest. This means here, northwest. And here it is southeast. So in this direction it is blowing. Now these both should come actually in this way. They should blow here from high pressure to low pressure. But because of the rotation, the direction gets changed. And these winds coming from both the side, they converge near the equatorial calm belt. So these are known as easterlies because both are coming from east direction. So here also east direction and here also east direction. So these are called the easterlies. Similarly, as these winds were blowing from high pressure to low pressure, here also they are blowing towards the low pressure, that is subpolar low pressure in both the hemisphere. Here also from high pressure belt it is moving towards the subpolar low pressure belt. Okay. Here also the direction is changed due to rotation of the earth. In the southern hemisphere, these winds blow from the northwest direction. In the southern hemisphere, from northwest direction. That means this is the northwest direction. So in this way they are blowing in the southern hemisphere because they are moving towards the low pressure. They are moving from the low pressure to high pressure. That means mid latitudinal high pressure to subpolar low pressure belt. That's why in the northern hemisphere they are going this way, and in the southern hemisphere they are coming this way. So in the northern hemisphere we can see they are moving from the northwest to southeast. That means northwest to southeast. In this direction they are moving. Similarly, in the northern hemisphere they blow from southwest to northeast. Southwest is here. From southwest they are blowing to northeast. That means in this direction. So here they are moving in the northern hemisphere from southwest to northeast. These. Now here both are moving from this side. So these are called the westerlies. And the winds which are moving from this direction, they are called as easterlies. So those winds which blow from the west direction, they are called westerlies, and those which move from the east direction, these are called the easterlies. Now when we talk about the polar wind, in both the hemisphere winds are blowing from the polar high pressure belt to the subpolar belt. Here you can see polar winds. This is the high pressure belt here in both the direction, both the hemisphere, and they are blowing towards the low pressure belt. They are called the polar winds. And generally the polar winds blow from east to west. That's why the direction is in this way. polar winds. Both the hemisphere polar winds are blowing in the same direction. They are blowing from the east towards the west direction. So students, from page number 22, second part, below the figure 5.3, start reading from there. Winds are known as till page number 23 above the do you know paragraph. Read it carefully and along with it keep the diagram in front of you 5.3 so that it will be clear. And while reading you can hold the color pencils or sketch pen. So whenever the directions are given, for example, equatorial low pressure belt is there, in both the hemisphere easterlies are shown, so you can color it in various colors, so it will be easily. Thank you.